was good, everybody? It's your boy Hot Rod Fuego, and I just purchased a K&Nairfilter for my 2018 Camaro SS, and I'm about to install it. So let's get into that. So here is the air filter, K&N high airflow air filter. About to go ahead and install this. It's gonna go right here. So this install is pretty easy. Anybody can do it. Here goes the air box, and this is where the filter will go. And there are 5 screws to unscrew. 1, 2, 3, 4, and if we look back here, 5. And you're gonna wanna unclamp this to make room so you can get to the screw. So here we have the air filter removed out of its packaging. Let me go ahead and take the plastic off. There we go. So you can get a better view of what it looks like. So this is it. It's going to be installed right here. This is where you're going to install it. Pretty simple again. Pretty simple. It doesn't take that long. All right, so I'm about to get ready to unscrew it. As you can see how dirty it was. A bunch of leaves. Look like I sucked up some butterflies as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean all that out. And then I'll be dropping this in. Now we're about to go ahead and just slide this in. There we go. Yep, everything's in there nice and snugged. So when this gets dirty again, I'm going to buy some K&N filter oil, spray it down, re-clean it. You'll never have to throw this away. This is completely reusable. Pretty easy job. Anybody could do it. I recommend doing it. You ain't gotta pay anybody to do this. It's quite novice. So there you have it. Thank you for watching the install of a K&N air filter on the 2018 Chevy Camaro SS. If you like this video, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I'll see y'all around another video. Take it easy.